Everything about magnetic gel nail art comes down to one thing, and it's not the gel, it's the magnet. Which one you use, how long before you cure, even the angle you hold it at can change the entire result. Get that right and every gel works. Get it wrong and none of them do. I'm going to show you the full picture, gels, magnets, techniques, so you will never have to guess again. Starting with the most popular one, full nail shift. Let's apply magnetic cat eye gel. Try to do it as even as possible, not too thick, also not too thin. Then I'm going to use this magnet. It's called cylinder magnet, but actually it includes two magnets on both sides, and they're rounded magnets. This is how their magnetic field works. So we are going to bring these little metallic particles to the top. So I bring it to the side, close to the nail, and then go a little further and move back and forth until you see that all this beautiful shine is going to the top. And then quickly, without waiting for too long, you need to do the same on the opposite side. Also move it back and forth a few times, and then do the same on the free edge. And now we have this beautiful full nail shift design. But before you do any kind of design with cat eye gels, there's one thing you need to do. Whenever they're sitting on your shelf, all these little metallic particles, they're sinking to the bottom. And our goal is to have an even proportion of these particles and gels. So this is what you need to do. If you're using gel in a pot, you need to open it and stir carefully. Do not make it too aggressively because we don't want that many bubbles. Or if you're using cat eye gel in the bottle, then it's even easier. You simply need to turn it upside down and gently roll between your hands. And this is how we make sure that all these particles will be spread evenly throughout the bottle. This full nail shift design looks so cute with this particular cat eye gel, and you probably noticed that there are different kinds of gels. For example, this one gives more velvety look because these metallic particles are super fine, about 5 micrometers, and they give this velvety look. Also, they are called silk cat eye gels. While some gels give more glitter and reflective particles, this is when these metallic particles are larger, up to 38 micrometers. And also there's a huge range of magnetic gels with this particle size in between them. So depending on what kind of look you want to get, you may choose your cat eye gel. But the technique is always exactly the same. First, we work on one side and move the magnet back and forth. Then we do the other side, the free edge, and sometimes you also need to do that on the top. So basically, we bring the magnet on all sides from the nail to bring this shine to the top. This is how it looks like with a different kind of magnetic gel polish. Besides the difference in these metallic particles, gels themselves are also very different. Some of them are more like jelly color, some of them are more dense, and even the color of these metallic particles may vary. So every time you will get a different look. For example, with this purple color, we get beautiful silky look, but these particles, they are more like chameleon color, like light purple and pink, and it looks so pretty. So this is the difference between silk cat eye gels and larger size of the particles. Let's do another super popular design, which is ombre, and it's so easy with cat eye. Now, whenever design you're going to do, you always need to repeat the steps we just did with full nail shift, because we want all the particles we have to be on top for a better look. So once I apply cat eye gel, I take the magnet and move it on one side, on the other, and on the free edge. So first we start with this full nail shift, and then I simply take the magnet and hold it at angle and pretty close to the nail. And this is how some of the particles are going to stay on top and some of them will stay at the bottom, and we get this beautiful ombre. And there's another technique which is super easy and will work if you have longer nails. We basically do the same, bring all these particles to the center, and then you simply simply take the magnet and hold it like this, like almost at the underside of the nail. And this is how we get this beautiful ombre. It basically takes you a couple seconds. Now you're probably thinking, oh man, I only have a couple colors of these magnetic gels and there are so many different designs we can do. So this is my recommendation. You need to have at least one silver silk cat eye gel and at least one shiny, also silver color. So once you have those, you can use jelly gels, apply them on top. Usually one coat is enough. And this is how you can get beautiful different colors of magnetic gels. So you can do the design first with the silver one and then seal it with the color. I really like using this cylinder shaped magnet because normally they are rather strong and it's pretty quick to create any design, including this full nail shift. But you can also use this rectangular magnet to do not just the full shift, but they are actually perfect for any designs when you want to do a line. But before you start the design, again, we need to do this magic trick and bring all the particles to the top. Then you bring the magnet as close as possible, like it's almost touching the product. And then you do the same from the opposite side. If you want to create a line that will be super thin and super bright, you need to bring the magnet like really close. If you want it to be more like faded line, then you can bring it closer and slightly move further away. It looks so gorgeous with this color, right? But even for straight lines, we don't need to use this exact magnet. Like I said, my personal favorite is the cylinder one and I use it for lines as well. So once we bring all the shine to the center, then I simply take the magnet and move it from one side to the other and create a diagonal line, and it looks pretty and the rule stays the same. If you want to have a thin and bright light, you need to get closer to the nail. If you want it to be more faded one, you slightly move further away. Another important rule is that once you see the line, the shape that you like, you need to cure it immediately. Because if you will wait, just looking how gorgeous the design is, these particles are going to move and they may look slightly different. So you need to work quickly and most importantly, you need to cure quickly as well. Another popular shape of the magnet is that when there is a rectangle on one side and a rounded small magnet on the other one. And this one is just perfect for creating any kind of waves, lines, and abstract designs. So let's bring these particles to the center once again. And then I bring the magnet also super close because these ones are usually less powerful. And this is how we can get this swirl design. Or you can even use two magnets. Well, I didn't have a spare hand, so I had to simply put it on top. Or you can do one by one. You simply bring it close to one side. This is how we see this beautiful swirl line. And do the same from the opposite side. And that's it. So easy and so fast, right? If you're a fan of abstract or cosmic nail art, then you definitely need this tool. This is called pen magnet, and when I first bought it, it was actually designed to pick up the caviar beads, but then I figured it works just perfect for magnetic designs as well. So I'm going to apply this beautiful Aurora gel first and then do our standard ritual, bring the shine to the center, and then with this pen you can basically hand paint any kind of pattern that you want, but you need to bring it close to the product, like it's almost touching it. And then at some point you kind of like the pattern, but you still wish you had more shine. Then you can repeat the same, like do not touch anything, just simply move the big magnet on one side and on the other, and this is how you will bring these particles closer and create a fade. And you can repeat it as many times as you want. By the way, if you accidentally ruin the design, it doesn't mean that you need to remove it and start over. You simply need to take the same brush, it doesn't matter if it's even the brush from the bottle, just clean the excess gel first and do the application on the top, and this is how you will mix this metallic particles that are already almost at the bottom and bring them to the top. This magnetic pen basically allows you to create all kinds of beautiful designs, but also there are countless amount of specialized shaped magnets that will help you to create a specific patterns. And of course, I couldn't resist and I bought some of them. For example, this rectangular magnets. Depending on how you put them together, from what side and what angle, every time you will get a different pattern. But when you just put them together as the magnets, usually it doesn't work very well. So I recommend you to use something metallic. For example, I have these tweezers that I use for pinching, and I put together this magnet like this, and it helped me to create these beautiful patterns with rectangles that actually remind me of a giraffe pattern. So with a combination of this golden cat eye gel polish, we ended up doing this giraffe pattern. Also, there are small size circle shaped magnets that work just perfect for creating a water ripple nails. But whenever you apply gel, do not forget to do the full shift first, and then you just bring the circle magnets close to the nail, and we get these beautiful water design nails. Depending on the color you're going to use, it is always going to look different. You probably noticed that besides the different glitter and shift, some cat eye gels are so dense you just apply one coat like this blue one and it's enough, but some of them are very transparent. So with those, I recommend you whether to always use some kind of background, milky, natural, or you can just apply one coat first. Do not magnetize it, just cure it as it is and then apply the second one. And by the way, for water ripple effect, you don't really need circle magnets. If you have a pen, then you can absolutely use it for the exact same purpose. Just bring it super close, create these dots, and that's it. So if I had to choose what are the most important shapes of the magnets to do most of the designs, I would say the cylinder magnet and a pen magnet, because you can basically draw the design that you want. Let's create a popular halo effect. There are so many different tricks to do this kind of pattern. There are even special magnets for this, but we can also do it with the magnet pen. So once we bring the shine to the center, we start by outlining the nails. So this is how we remove these shiny particles from the edge of the nail, and you see we have this oval in the center already. And then you take this magnet pen and bring it to the very center and slightly move. And that's it. This is how we get this halo effect. And with this magnet pen, you can even control the size of it. Like you can make it more oval, you can make it more round, you can bring it closer to the center or more like to the edge of the nail. But keep in mind that most of the times these pen magnets, they're not that powerful, so in order for them to work, you need to bring them very close to the nail. You can even use it to create French style nail art. I mean, why not? We bring the particles to the center and then you just hand paint the smile line. Or we can use our old favorite cylinder magnet, bring it close, and this is how we get the reverse smile line. But there's another trick I've recently seen and decided to try. We just need to have two magnets and put them together in the shape of the T. And that way, the magnetic field is going to work in a certain way, like in an exact way that we need for French style nails. Bring it close to the nail and wow, that's it. Now we have these beautiful French style nails. And I also even have this special metallic thing for French style nails. Let's try it out just to see the difference. Well, with this one, it's just super easy. And you can also use scissors, by the way, to get the exact same look. You just need to put the magnet in the center, so it will use the magnetic field to form this beautiful smile line. Which of these beautiful designs are you going to try first?